Dear students, let's start today the discussion on HTML. Here we are having some web pages created. I want to show you so that you can understand what you will be creating. So here we are having a form in front of our screen. This way we will be getting after giving some coding. So all of you would have seen such kind of forms on internet, like provide some information, enter your name, address, city. You will be selecting the city, then PIN code, mobile number, credit card number. How do you rate this website? Very good, average. Any suggestions? Then you can submit. So if you want to have such kind of form in your web pages, how you will be creating. So today we will be learning this only. So now see here, we are having this. We can right click on it, and when we will right click, it will be the option open with. So instead of open in Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer, to see its coding, I'll go to Notepad. As soon as I'll click on Notepad, I'll be getting the screen of Notepad where we used to type the HTML code. As you all aware, HTML head title and slash title and head section, we have given here the first section name as form. So this is what the beginning coding as you have done before also. Now we will see under the body section what we will be giving to create a form. So form method is equals to post, action is equals to mail to dot Agarwal Parul 180@gmail.com. Means whenever we want to transfer any of the form to any particular mail ID, after creating, we can mention there the particular mail address. Then we can give here encryption type. Then we can give here BR tag so that the text will be displayed in the next line. And after giving the BR tag, we'll go to the please provide the following information, means what information, BR tag, and this B tag is for giving the text in bold. So B and slash B will be given. So this heading, please provide the following information. All of you have seen it is coming in bold. Please provide the following information. So this is a text which is getting displayed over here, and after giving this text, we are having the next line, enter your name. When we want to enter the name, we will be giving the text in the simple way. After that, we will give input type is equals to text, because we want to enter here text. So what input type we are settling down? Input is the tag name, type is equals to which type of text, that is the attribute, text is the value. So text we want to enter, so we have given name is equals to your name. This is what every input type we used to have some name specified. Then size is equals to 30 and maximum length is equals to 20, or we can give here maximum length is equals to 30, 40, whatever we want to keep. Then BR tag to take the to bring the text in the next line, and BR one more line to be left vacant. As you can see in the web page, here one more extra line is left vacant. So this is given by using BR tag. Now in the next line we will be giving address. Input type is equals to text, same way name is equals to address, size, max length, and P tag closed. Next is BR tag, and then we will be giving city, 2 times BR tag we have given. Then for city name we have given BR tag. From the next line we will be giving, now we will be giving select tag. Select name is equals to city, size is equals to 5. So we want to give we want to select the particular city from the given number of options. So what we are giving here under the option tag, we are giving option value is equals to Noida, and this Noida will be displayed. Same way different options we can give option values under the tag option and attribute value. Noida, Ghaziabad, Amritsar, Bangalore, Chennai and New Delhi. And then selected one, it means the particular this one will be selected in the very beginning, and rest of the options, if we want to have another city, then we can select. This is what the cities are displayed, and after that we are again giving BR tag twice to give 2 lines break. Then we are giving the heading pin code, input text, input type is equals to text, name is equals to pin code, size is equals to this, max length 20. Same way as we have given name and address, same way we can take the pin code and the mobile number from the user. Now after that we will be giving the credit card number. For any of the password we used to have type as password, and we can set the max length as 15 and any of the length which we require, maximum length. And here we have given the name as credit because this is the credit card number, so in brief we can give the name. After that we have given the sentence, how do you rate this website /br. So this is the line which will be displayed as it is in the web page. After giving this line, now what we are having, let's see in our web page. See this, city and state, pin code, mobile number, credit card number, and how do you rate this website. This much is completed. Now superb, very good, good or average. So we are having 4 options. From the given 4 options we can select any one of the options. So from this, for this purpose, radio button, because these are what we are having 4 radio buttons, under which we are giving here superb, very good, good and average. And what is the feature of radio buttons? That any one of the radio button will be selected at a time. Suppose I am selecting this superb, then this average is gone, this selection is gone. If I am selecting here good, then this superb is gone. So this is what, any one of the option will be selected from the given number of options. So this is what can be applied when we want to have only one option to be selected from the given number of options. Now for this purpose, when we have to give the radio buttons, we will give input type is equals to radio, name is equals to, suppose we have given here rate, we are doing rating, so we related to that we have taken the name. Then values we are giving here superb, very good, good and average. Now after giving this BR tag twice, tips or suggestions for improvement. Now see in the web page, what do we want? This kind of box. This is what the box to enter the suggestions. So for this purpose we can see here we are having the text area tag, under which we are giving the name to this particular tag. Name is equals to comments and rows 4 and columns, the number of rows and columns which we want to have, and this wrap text feature is applied for this purpose. In text area /text area can be given at the end. And BR tag twice, then input type is equals to submit, because we want to submit the form. Suppose the user want to submit the form, so 2 commands we have to give. So we will be giving here type is equals to submit and type is equals to reset for submit and reset. Submit is to submit the form and reset is to the blank, means empty form. So this way we can create a form in HTML, and in the output we will be getting this kind of web page with where the user can enter all the values as a name or the address, or we can select here the particular city this way, and we can type the pin code. Suppose I am typing here the pin code of Rampur, or the mobile number, whatever we want to have. The same way now we can type here the credit card number, any of the number. It is just displayed in the form of this password itself. If we want to see, we can see also this I option is also there. Then we can type the some suggestions also here. Suppose any of the suggestion, so we can type here go ahead, and then we can submit the form also. Okay, so this way it can work. Hope you all have understood this form, how to create a form.